Bonjour. Day 2.
We're going to Bornholm. 4 hours. $140 meters elevation.
Non-stop, right? Whoa. And now we're going. And now we're going flat now. Oh, that's good.
For now.
For now.
Some hydrate which gives you energy and makes your muscles recover faster. Fresh and ready to go.
That was really steep hike. Now we're just gonna have a quick break and drink something and eat some protein bars. Whew. Whew. Crazy. Thank you. Time for a break after 2 hours of hiking. So we got some coffee here. How much is the coffee?
€4.
We paid €4 for the coffee. Blueberry pie. Yum 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 yum. Done with 1 hour break. And
Off we go.
off we go. 2 more hours. Yeah, of course. Wow, we hiked all the way up. And now we're going up more.
Up to 2,500 meters.
Whoa.
elevation.
We can do it. We can do it. Yeah.
So we're climbing here now. I'm gonna hike all the way up there.
Where?
The electricity tower. It's gonna be fun.
Oh gosh. Let's go. Actually, we are wrong. We are actually not going here because there is no sign of refuge. We are going here. It's 2 hours and 40 minutes. So the hike is actually 5 hours, not 4 hours. We just had 50 minutes uphill hike. It's never ending uphill. Wow, that was really tough, right? What do you think? That was tough.
It's not over yet.
It's never over.
We're going up more, much more.
Yeah.
We already gained 640 meters. Imagine.
Let's go, let's go. You can do it. Time to refill water. Time to relax our feet.
Cold?
Cold.
Cold but relaxing.
How do you feel now?
Cool.
Cool.
Literally.
So it's 2 hours and 5 minutes more, and then we will reach our refuge, our accommodation.
Born home. Bonjour.
Bonjour. That's so cool. Bonjour.
So we're going to the snowy area and all the way up there.
Oh my god.
Another incline. Of course.
We're having a quick break here. Snowy, but a nice view. And I think we're almost there, right?
Soon.
I think 1 hour, and then we'll be in our accommodation.
That's true.
Still snowy there, and it's snowy there. Very pretty. The crazy dude is doing... Are you a snow angel? No? It's not cold?
It's refreshing actually.
Whoa!
Oh.
You're weird.
A little bit cold.
I stepped on it. It's cold.
Let's go back. So we made it on Croix du Bonhomme. Bornholm. It's a bit like Bornholm, just a bit steeper. So it's a peak of this mountain, but I still need to go higher to our refuge.
Yeah, 50 minutes more. I will be there, and there's no more water there only in the refuge. Oops. So bring enough water. Having a rest again because it's so tiring. I think we should have half an hour more to go, right? Oh gosh. It's a tough hike.
Already hiked almost 7 hours.
What? Oh gosh.
And it's only 4-hour hike.
5? It's 5-hour hike. You need to have a good shoes for this.
And sticks.
Yeah. This is so steep here.
And if it's raining, it's gonna be a slide.
No, it's not good. The sticks is not helpful here.
5 more minutes and we are in our refuge
I'm so hungry.
and thirsty.
I can eat you right now.
So our refuge is just there. Finally, food and water and shower and sleep.
Day 2 of TMB is done. We made it.
7.5 hours.
Wow.
Quite a view from our accommodation tonight, right?
Yeah.
Dinner in 2 hours. 1.5. Hi.
They don't serve food for now, but only this. I'm so hungry. With a view. It's our room tour.
The last day.
Oh.
So we currently have the facilities and the military and the dinners are all for it. The toilet room is still open, so that we have access to tap water, you know, or to wash your face.
Oh, Matterhorn.
So here's the room. It's a 4-person dormitory. There is already one other person. Yeah.
Okay. That's nice.
Mine up
Oh,
here.
with a view.
So you can choose among 2 beds. And
So this one is taken, right?
Yes, I guess so. And the 4th person will arrive.
Okay.
Yes, well.
That's good.
Sounds good.
What time am I gonna have dinner?
6:30.
Yay. Soon.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, see you.
We have a view. Yay.
That's the best view I ever had.
And I think I should take this one.
Yeah.
And this is yours.
I like to sleep on top.
Okay, it's me. People are showering there
Here.
and washing clothes.
And everywhere.
Fully booked.
Juste un vis.
Finish it. This is our dessert. Very tiny chocolate cake.
בוא נשים מהחולצות ונצא קצת להסתובב פה.
Food packed. Maybe later. This is the view of our refuge. This is the refuge that we're staying now. It's quite big. Let's go and wash laundry. Brush our teeth.
Washing clothes, old school ways. With the donkeys and sunset.
Finally, some tea and beer
Time to relax before another adventure.
to
6
end
hours.
the night. Yeah, we are just staying in the room. And I brought my tea with me and we just asked for hot water. And this is a French beer, right?
Yep. Biere blanche.
Okay, good night.